Which country has the most people in the world? Correct answer, India. Next question. Which country produces the most rice in the world? Correct answer, China. Next question. Which country has the most camels in the world? Correct answer, Sudan. Next question. Which country has the most pyramids in the world? Correct answer, Sudan. Next question. Which country has the most volcanoes in the world? Correct answer, Indonesia. Next question. Which country has the most lakes in the world? Correct answer, Canada.